batteries are actually made. It starts with the two big parts inside any battery, the cathode and the anode. The cathode is usually made from a mix of metals like lithium, nickel, cobalt, and manganese, ground into a super fine powder. The anode is usually made from graphite, which is basically a very pure form of carbon. Each of these powders gets mixed with a liquid binder to form a thick, paint-like slurry. That slurry gets spread onto long, thin metal sheets, aluminum foil for the cathode and copper foil for the anode. They run these coated sheets through giant ovens that dry everything until the powder sticks firmly to the metal. After that, the sheets are flattened and pressed so the material is perfectly smooth and even. Next comes assembly. The coated sheets get cut into strips and layered with a separator, a thin, porous plastic film that keeps the anode and cathode from touching but still lets ions pass through. Depending on the battery shape, these layers either get rolled up into a cylinder like a jelly roll or stacked into flat layers for pouch-style batteries. Once the layers are arranged, the whole cell is sealed inside a metal can or pouch, and then filled with a special liquid called the electrolyte. The electrolyte is what lets lithium ions move back and forth when the battery charges or discharges. After filling, the cell is completely sealed to keep air and moisture out. Here's the final step, formation. The battery is charged and discharged very slowly for the first time. This creates a thin protective layer on the anode called the SEI layer. It's basically what keeps the battery stable and lets it last for hundreds of cycles. After formation, the batteries get tested, sorted, and finally sent to companies that build them into phones, laptops, cars, pretty much everything. So, in short, lithium-ion batteries are made from coated metal foils, layered with separators, filled with electrolyte, sealed, and then carefully charged for the first time. It's a super controlled process, but that's why the batteries are so reliable in everyday devices.